Prestone knows how crucial routine maintenance of your cooling system is to the life of your vehicle. Your vehicle's engine needs optimal conditions to run smoothly and efficiently. Low coolant can mean less heat transfer, which risks the engine overheating. Too much coolant also risks damage to the system, as coolant needs room to expand when hot. Without it, parts can pop under pressure, causing leaks. Make sure you regularly check your cooling system and top off to the fill line as needed. If your coolant looks dirty, you need to replace it. Dirty coolant is no longer effective, which means increased corrosion, reduced fluid flow, and the risk of clogging. Drain and flush and fill are the correct ways to clean your system. Check your manufacturer's maintenance schedule for more information. Without regular maintenance, cooling system parts might not work optimally, and if left long enough, could even fail. Prestone's Antifreeze and Coolant offers total protection to your entire cooling system, guaranteed for 500,000 kilometers or 10 years. Visit Prestone.com for simple, how-to videos on cooling system maintenance.